Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Automation Hub Sathak, and in continuation with the string videos for Java and English. Today we'll understand a very important topic. This question is sometimes asked in the interview, whether you should protect a password in a string format or you can do it in character array. Many people say it's string. The answer is right or wrong, or they can both coexist. Let's go and find out. Okay, so first and foremost, I'll make a string object. Let's say I'll do this. I've created a class and I'm making a string object. Let's say I'm making a string object like the password of that object is a simple password, or something. Let's say the password is pass@123. Okay, now I'll create a character array and I will pass the password in here, the character array format. Okay, at the rate, at the rate 1, 2, 3. Okay, so pass@123 is, so I've created two objects, one of string and one of character array, and we have learned that in this particular situation two objects will be created. One will be stored in the heap memory and the other in SCP or SLP memory. Now we know this. Now let's actually find out directly what is the output. So I'll write here the password in the string object is I'll concat with S1 and for char array I'll just concat with S2 and we'll see the output. Oops, sorry, there is something wrong. Oh, this is CH. What am I doing? See, you will see that this is easily retrievable in the form of strings. When the password is stored in form of strings, it is easily retrievable. But when it comes to character array, this by default comes in an encoded format. What is our password? Our password is pass@123. But in character array, it does not show up like this. So this proves that storing or saving passwords in character arrays is much advisable compared to strings. Okay, now I'll go ahead and tell you what are the two different reasons to store this. Okay, I'll run it again. Let the output remain. Okay, so two reasons why we should save passwords in character arrays and not in strings. See, the most important part is, the first reason is strings are immutable. Okay, they do not change the original value. So whenever you go and create something or try to invoke something or try to change something, what it does, it creates a new object every time. And on top of that, garbage collector also does not work. So technically, if somehow you change this password remains. Let's say it becomes pass@1234, that one will also remain. Pass 12345, that one will also remain. So technically If you keep passwords in strings and keep changing it, it technically does not go away. It keeps creating new objects and creating new passwords, which anyways is risky because it is easily retrievable. Okay, so please do not try to attempt something like this. Now let's say, for example, I will change this thing. Okay, character ch again. Now I'll give ch1 with a new password here, 4. Okay, see this, it has completely changed. So you would not even know whether the password got changed or not, but somehow in the backend, if you do this for strings, it will still be there. Okay, so by default, character array stores the default encoded password. Okay, so we will not use, so these are the two reasons. The reason 2 is character arrays by default store in encoded format. I'm not saying store password, they literally store data in encoded format in case you try to retrieve it. So this is easily retrievable, which is risky in terms of hacking and all. This is not. So it is better if you go with character array as the method or the way to store your passwords. Interview question, it is easily proved. This proof is enough. Okay, but if you want to go in depth, so these are the two reasons why you should store your passwords not in string but in character array format. I hope you like this session. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Sathik here signing off.